Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another braided wig tutorial, and for this hair I used the Darling Superstar in color 30 and silver. For the color 30 I used 2.5 packs, and for the silver I used 2 packs. Whenever you're making any braided wig, at the back you space the braids, but when you get to the front you can bring them closer. This is just so you don't have a very heavy wig. So you guys should just keep watching, because I'm going to be showing you how I get to add the silver braids. So while you're watching and you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give the video thumbs up, that's like the video, and also drop comments if you have any questions. So at this point I'm showing you guys how I get to add the silver braids. So when I braid the color 30 to the tip, I'll just take the amount of braiding hair that I want and I'll add it from the back. Hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. So for the cutting of the hair, it depends on how long or how short you want the wig to look like. So like me, I wanted a waist length, so at the back I cut the color 30 and the silver into 3, and then when I got to the middle, almost the front of the hair, I actually cut the color 30 and silver into 2. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I get to end the braids. So to end the braids, I just go in with any hair oil and then I twist the ends. So this is how you end your braids. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
So at first I wanted to use a closure to make the front braids, but I later changed my mind, and then I decided to go in with a closure net so that this hair could just be very affordable. So if you don't have a closure, you can actually use a closure net to braid. So I actually sewed the closure net, and now I am using my powder just so that it could give the net my tone, that's my color tone. And here I'm going to outline the closure net how I would want to braid down. So guys, if you've watched to this point and you haven't still liked this video, please go ahead to like the video, drop comments down below, and also to not forget to subscribe to the channel. So to actually braid the weaves down, I'll just go and crochet small amounts of braiding hair. I have lots of videos that I have done this. I'm going to link it down, so in case you watch this and you don't understand, you could go ahead and watch other videos. So at the front, I'll try to crochet small amounts so it could look realistic, and then that's maybe 2 to 3 strands. Then when I get to the back, I could do 3 to 4. So now to braid the weaves, I would start with small amounts of hair, and I always like to pass my own at the back, as you can see. So I braid down and then I add the hair extension from the back, not from the front, because I really do not like the way those ones they add from the front, they always look like. So I'm going to braid down. So it's same thing you want to do when you're braiding the weaves. So just keep watching so you could understand what I am doing.
The playing with my mind, gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
So when you're done with the wig, you want to go ahead to trim the excess flyovers and then put the wig in hot water. I actually had issues with my tripod, so I couldn't record that, so I had to add this other knotless braid wig I did without closure, just to show you guys how I trim the excess flyovers and how I put the wig in hot water. So this is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't still liked this video, please go ahead to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will sure see you all in my next one. Bye for now.